Are you a small or large business, or even an accounting firm, drowning in different versions of Excel reports, where every time you make a change to the accounting system, you need to spend hours downloading and rekeying Excel data to update your reports ready for your management accounting deadline? You're not alone, and your time should be spent on value-added tasks like actual accounting work. You may have already explored online management accounting products, promising an end to this already, but realise they're either too expensive or too restrictive. AccountingBi attempts to solve these issues. We're a UK-based SaaS provider that allows you to build online financial dashboards and printable reports that sync in real time to your favourite accounting software like Xero, QuickBooks, Zoho Books and Sage. But instead of forcing you to use our restrictive report builder, we instead give you the tools to connect and develop your reports in Excel and PowerBi. AccountingBi is a software as well as a service. This includes PowerBi and Power Query connectors to sync your data in real time to your accounting system. Multi-entity reporting that allows you to build consolidated reports for group companies, companies with multiple accounting systems, or even companies with different strategic business units. A suite of Excel management accounting templates that automatically sync to your accounting software. Pre-built and plug-and-play Power BI dashboards. So, how does this work? After signing up to AccountingBi, you go and connect your accounting software organisations, ready to start pulling data to Excel or Power BI. Then, go to our suite of pre-built management accounting reports. These are designed to work immediately as standardised reports that refresh automatically on demand to your chosen accounting software. However, the true power of this solution is the ability for competent Excel and Power BI users to get under the hood and build endless report variations themselves. Once you are connected to your accounting software, you can then begin to access the large number of data sources to obtain the other financial and non-financial metrics that can be included as you build your reports. These include a budget or cash flow forecast sitting in Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, desktop or even online. Sales data sitting within a CRM solution like Zoho CRM or Salesforce, or even various open source APIs from the web. Other more specific connectors include cloud as well as on-premise databases like SQL Server, MySQL, Postgres or Oracle. Social media sites like LinkedIn or Facebook, and even marketing tools like Google Analytics. We know many accountants have used Power BI or attempted to use it in the past, but realised it's a professional product requiring expertise. So, in an attempt to get you on board, I've listed out our support and resources to help you make the leap for your business or accounting practice. These include our Excel connectors that allow you to stay in Excel as you build your solution in Power BI, or even stay in Excel for the longer term. Our training content as you learn Power BI and other financial reporting purposes. We have a team of Power BI experts that are on hand to help support any connection issues or even engage in bespoke report builds that meet your requirements.